All right, special thanks to this company for sending me their floor installation kit for an unboxing video to show you exactly what comes in this. I must say, I love their logo with the shark, but that's just me. Not a whole lot around the box, just floor installation kit. The back has company info and for vinyl, laminate, and hardwood floor installation. All tools can be reused for your next installation project. You get 60-piece flooring spacers, double solid rubber hammer, heavy-duty pull bar, taping block, and foam knee pad. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Look at that. So right on top, the foam knee pads. Those will definitely come in handy. Foam knee pads, very cool. Then these must be the little spacers that it was talking about. You get 60 of these spacers. Looks like 2 different packets. And that's, you know, what the spacers look like. They're like triangle shaped. I guess that's so you can grab them out no matter which way you have to put them in. But very nice. Then we've got, truly, even after reading that bottom part, I don't know what this part is, but we got this part. This one seems to be that arm bar it was talking about. Maybe this will say. Figure A. Yeah, so it looks like this is what you'd use to like hit with the hammer to hammer them in. It does come with a little instruction type guide. Hammer, let me look at the bottom here. So this is the heavy duty pull bar. Very nice, made out of, steel with their logo on it. This is the tapping block. Okay, that makes more sense. And then this is the heavy duty rubber hammer. Very nice tools. Like all their products, these are just feel great. You got this side and this side. Don't know what's the difference in the sizes, but really good hammer. Shouldn't have a problem knocking in your floor. So that'll essentially do it for this floor installation kit. Again, special thanks to these folks for sending this to me, and that'll do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.